Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and in here scroll all the way to the bottom where you will find System. Again, we're going to scroll down, and last option will be Reset Options. So click on it and then choose, again, last option, Erase All Data Factory Reset. When you do, give it a moment and it will load up this information, letting you know that whatever is listed right here will be removed. Now the most important things will be the three last ones, which is music, photos, and all user data, not other. So if you have anything on your device that you'd like to maintain, photos, videos, music, documents, anything like that, do make a copy of it before you go any further. Now that being said, there's a couple ways you can create a backup of your device. And in general, I will always recommend to grab a cable like this one, plug it into your computer, connect the device to it, and then manually drag over all the data to your PC. Other option would be to basically use cloud backup through Google, but that poses some problems in my opinion and isn't obviously secure. So you're uploading your personal information at that point to someone else's computer, that being Google, which, as we know, they do have their AI models, and they definitely do love the data. So let's not kid ourselves that this data will be kept safely there, and just accept the fact that it probably will be used to train AI models, because hey, free data is free data. And that's one thing which I already kind of have a problem with. But another one, which is even more annoying because of the first one, will be that based on a law, Google is obligated to remove this data after a period of time. I believe it's 2 or 3 years. I don't exactly remember how long. But if nothing is done with this data for that period of time, it's gone. It just gets deleted, which that isn't necessarily true also, because this data has now been used to train AI model, which is never going to be fully gone, but it's gone from your access. So basically, you have uploaded your personal information that has been used to train AI, and then deleted from your access when maybe later on in the future you wanted something from that backup, but it's gone now. So that's why I recommend using a cable. Once you back it up to your PC, it's stored there safe and secure as long as you need it, unless your computer gets completely destroyed. It's going to be there waiting for you. Time period is not an obstacle right here. This data won't be vanishing from your PC just because 2 or 3 years have passed, and it won't be used for training AI, unless Microsoft decides to blatantly disregard the idea of a PC, which if they do, let's be honest, you shouldn't really be using Windows, but that's, not at the moment, just a little bit of like a what if kind of thing. At the moment, Windows isn't doing that, so it's good. And obviously, you can also use Mac or Linux or anything like that. So anyway, once you've done the backup, you can then proceed further by selecting Erase All Data. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it right here. And when you do, you get the last message, Erase All Data. All of your personal information and the downloaded apps will be deleted. You cannot undo this action. Yep. So we're going to click on Erase All Data once more. And this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take approximately 1-2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.